Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video about inventory source. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on get started for free. After that we'll be redirected to here. So here we have to enter our first and last name like NetTech, our email, and we have to create our password. So after that we just select what do you want to do, like tell us about yourself, a few questions to improve your experience. I'm currently a person seeking to start a business. You may be a retailer, a supplier, a consultant or agency or other. It doesn't depend. You just click on next. You just enter your company name, like my company name is NetTech. So you also have to enter your website, like www.nettech123123.com, and the phone number, which is optional, and you can just select current average orders per month. I'll just select 100 to 1000 and you just click on finish. Here we're in right here. So these are the let's get started steps just to finish up your account. So here is the complete your profile step 1. Second step is to find your supplier. The third one is to choose your automation plan, and the fourth step is to start selling. So let's see what integration can we add. So first off we have to select a supplier, but we're just gonna click on this. So here we can see the amount of suppliers, like this GM Wholesale Limited New, the RSR Premium. We can see from where it's shipped, like the GM Wholesale Limited New is shipped from the United Kingdom. The catalog type is public. No minimum order, allows dropship, allows Amazon, allows eBay. Supplier categories, we can see the tax, and we can see that it ships to USA, Canada, International, United Kingdom, and Europe. So it basically ships to anywhere. We can also here see the filters. We can sort it by products or by suppliers. So we can see the supplier type. It can be integrated or not integrated. Supplier catalog, allows dropship, minimal order, ships from, and here we can see the supplier categories like US Direct, 3PL warehouse, adult products, appeal, fashion, jewelry, appliances, automotive, baby and kids and furniture, baby youth and games, and whatever you want guys. But now let's select GM Wholesale New. Now we can integrate this agency. We can see that it is for vaping and CBD products. We just click on integrate, and here's the supplier, and after that we have to select the automation plan. So we selected the supplier again. Let's try to, but now we're trying to, okay, let's choose DNH distributing now, and just click on integrate. After that we have to choose the automation plan, but where can we do this? So I think integrations, yeah, here is it. Okay, but for this we have to verify our email address or buy the premium version, so I won't do that. I'll just talk about the platform overall, and you just here follow the steps from steps 1 to 4. It's not that complicated. You just complete your profile. We have already completed my profile with entering you're finishing this step. The second step is to find your supplier. It again isn't hard. You just try to select the whatever platform you're going to be distributing your things, whatever you want to distribute, and after that choose your automation plan. Like, choose to automate your dropship supplier with products and orders with one of our inventory full of automation plans. So there is, as they said, an inventory full of automation plans, which is really easing the overall whole process of setting up our dropshipping plan, our dropshipping account, and we just after that start selling. And it's really simple as that. Here's also a quick tutorial, but I won't show you right now. So let me show you the paid plans. So here's the full automation plan. So it's called the basic one. It's $199 per month, and it gives you the support to have up to 100 dropship orders and have one additional integration to $75, inventory automation features plus auto route or verify and process supplier orders, auto sync shipment tracking to sales channels, and 2 times a day sync. And with every other plan, with the plus plan, like, you're paying a little bit more, but you also get more of the perks. And with every plan is this, and you just start your dropshipping career. And that was it, guys, for the video. I hope that it was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.